Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer radio malfunction issue and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Radio malfunctions in the Ford Explorer are commonly described as the radio not turning on, freezing or rebooting, losing sound, poor reception, or the touchscreen becoming unresponsive. Verified owner reports and service information show that radio and infotainment-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with variation depending on audio system design, software version, and vehicle electronics. One verified and frequently reported cause involves infotainment system software issues. In certain model years, outdated or unstable software has been associated with system freezing, random restarts, or loss of audio functions. Software-related problems are often addressed through updates released by the manufacturer. Another confirmed cause relates to electrical supply or fuse-related issues. Blown fuses, voltage irregularities, or poor electrical connections can interrupt power to the radio unit, causing it to shut off or fail to power on. These issues may appear intermittently depending on driving conditions. Control module or hardware-related failures have also been documented. Faults within the audio control module, display unit, or amplifier can result in no sound output, distorted audio, or loss of system functionality. These problems may develop gradually or occur suddenly. Antenna or signal-related issues are another verified factor. Damaged antenna components or wiring can lead to poor radio reception or signal loss, while other audio sources continue to function normally. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include battery voltage fluctuations, software compatibility issues after updates, or moisture intrusion affecting electronic components. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include performing system resets, updating infotainment software, inspecting fuses and wiring, checking antenna connections, and replacing faulty modules when confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer radio malfunctions are resolved through software updates or electrical checks rather than full system replacement. However, experiences vary by model year and system configuration. In conclusion, Ford Explorer radio malfunctions can stem from software issues, electrical supply problems, hardware failures, or signal-related concerns. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.